To download I Am Future on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. This process is straightforward. Open a browser, search for Steam, and navigate to the website store.steampowered.com. Click on the Install Steam button. Select your platform, e.g., Windows, and then click Install Steam again. The Steam setup will automatically install on your computer. Once installed, open the Steam app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. After accessing your account, you should see the Steam Store. If not, click on Store at the top left. In the search box on the right, type in I Am Future and select the game from the results. Scroll down and click on Add to Cart, then View Cart, and choose to purchase the game for your account. Select a payment method from the drop-down menu and complete the checkout process. Once the game is purchased, it will be added to your Steam library. To find the game, click on Library at the top. Select Games on the left, and look for I Am Future. Click on the game and press the Install button. You will be prompted to choose whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut and which drive to install the game on. After making your selections, click Install, and the game will download and install automatically. When the installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and a green Play button will appear, allowing you to launch and start playing the game.